2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, compass, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.